Well, yeah, for tell me how it sound.
Up in the YouTube.
Alright, let go. Shut it up, kid. Shut it up, shut it up.
I love money and she love me back. Money in my stomach got me looking like a fool. I love money and she love me back. Money in my stomach got me looking like a fool. I love money and she love me back.
You tap out?
Hell yeah, no. Oh shit, my ears hurt. I want to do it. Ashley want to do it.
Get in the video.
Oh, she want to do it too?
What video?
I'll let her hit.
Wait a minute. Wait.
You want to hear it too?
Yeah, hold on. Alright, Ashley.
Nah, not yet.
Wait, hold it. No, hold your hand. Watch it vibrate. Put your hand right here and watch it vibrate.
It ain't no drinking, is it?
Money in my stomach got me looking like a fool. Money and she love me back. Money in my stomach got me money in my stomach got me looking.
Oh, hell.
Hey, y'all wait right there.
The door not closing.
Y'all wait right there. Hold on.
Hey, close the door.
The door not closing.
I'll fix it. It's just a thing in the middle.
Oh.
How it sounded?
That shit hurt, bro.
It hurt.
It hurt my ears.
Is she not listening?
I'm down. Oh, this part is
How it sound?
That shit hurt. What do you mean? Are you filming me?
Don't feel me.
Are you filming? Wait a minute, why?
I'll push y'all on YouTube.
We got base competition.